Hi, welcome to Oracle ADF training. This is Sudhakar. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to turn on mini auditing in Oracle ADF. If you have come from OAF background, you would have known about who columns. For that matter, if you have worked on any other framework, you would have heard the terminology called who columns. This is nothing but the mini auditing, which we are going to enable in Oracle ADF application as well. The Oracle ADF has this feature of mapping the attributes in your entity object to corresponding history columns. So here it is called as history columns. The who columns are called as history columns. By default, it comes with created on, created by, modified on, modified by, version number, all those things. If you want to add additional things, you can additional history columns, you can add that as well. But you need to extend the base classes to do that. That's part of the advanced training program. The basic training program will use the history columns which is available by default. So for that, what we will do is we have to add some columns, history columns, to the DB as well. The default table which comes with XE schema, that the employee table, doesn't have the history column. So I'm going to provide the script to you as well. So you can run those script in that database to create those objects. Okay, the table is altered. These created on, created by, modified on, modified by, version number, all these fields are automatically added. Now let us create one new application. This is going to be ADF Fusion web application. We'll call it as mini auditing ADF. So here we'll mini, then we'll finish. We'll use the business components from table to create the employee. Here we'll call it as mini audit. We use the HR schema, that's where our table is there in the XE database. We pick up employees table. Set the finish. Now everything has been created. Let's go to the employees EO and go to the attributes, and we see the created on, created by, all this stuff is there. If you want to reference that, you can use the track change history. We have to map the correct columns. Notified by the version number is version number. Now the version number is also a change indicator. So I think now we are done with this part. Now let us run this and test whether it is working fine. Let's go to employees view. And let's create one employee. I'm just giving dummy phone number. Okay, now let's save this. Now if you see the created on and created by is anonymous because I haven't enabled ADF security for this. That's why it is coming like this. So the highlight is mandatory. Okay, it is expecting me to enter in a specific format. What I'll do is I'll copy this. change this to 2017. Now see the created on, created by, modified by, all those things are populated. The version number is 1 because I have updated. What if I change one more time? Now you see the version number has been increased. So that's how the you can turn mini auditing. This kind of mini auditing is very useful in real-time projects where if somebody has created a record, we can find out who created it and when they created it, as well as if somebody modified that record, we will know who modified it and when they last modified. Also the version number tells you how many times the record has been changed. So this is the built-in feature available in ADF. You can use this for mini auditing. Of course, you can enable different kinds of auditing by your own method, but this is the default option given by Oracle ADF. Thanks for watching this video. We'll catch up in the next session. Bye.